Good morning, good morning. Today is January 31st, 11:37. Oh, we're going through the first phase of the construction on phase one, demolition and framing. So we're on the second floor. This is the steps, coming up the steps. This would be the hallway. We're currently in the hallway, as you could tell. Where this would be the master bedroom. Master bedroom. This is the master bathroom. This will be the master bathroom with a closet. And this is the closet. It's two closets. You could tell. First entrance, and this would be the second entrance going into the closet. Now we're entering back into the hallway, and this would be for the washer and dryer. This would be washer and dryer. Now we're back to the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom. Again, the demolition is done. We're on the verge of finishing with framing. We're pretty much there, 90%. Double windows. This is the closet. This would be the closet. Now we're leaving the second bedroom. This would be the second bathroom. Again, we're coming. This be the second bathroom. This would be the toilet and shower. Second bedroom, bathroom. Okay, now we're entering back into the hallway. We're going down the steps. Second step. Okay, now this is the main entrance. From the main entrance looking up. Again, we framed it all around the parameters. Use 2x6. 2x6. Now this is the second wall. This is the exterior wall, and this is the interior wall. As you can tell, we use 2x4 here. Okay. And this is the best part, the beam window. We're going with 2x12 LVL. We put additional support. 3 2x6, and with the original here. Same thing here, and also is going into the wall. The joist is going into the wall. We also put a 4x4 in the center, just to kind of give a little bit more extra support. Okay, now it's dining room here, and it will reframe all the dining room. Framing all set here. Framing. This is to get a window back here. And this is the kitchen. As you can tell, we're going with an open concept. Open concept. And this is the view from the dining room to the main entrance. Now we headed over to the basement. Now going to the basement. Again, frames, as you could tell, all around the wall. So now this is the basement coming down. As you could tell, all the framing been done all around the parameters. So this is the bathroom in the basement. Again, all the framing is all set here. As you can tell, we use treated wood that's going against the concrete. Okay. Now this is the third bedroom. As you could tell, all the framing been all set. Again, when you look at the ground, as you can tell, it's treated. As you could tell, this is where the beam is being supported by the metal beam. As you could tell, going all the way up. Again, this is the closet. This is the bedroom's closet here. Now we're going, this is the hallway for the basement. A nice spacious hallway. Now, this is the utility room. Again, this is the utility room. Again, this is for the water heater and the furnace. Unless we decide to go with 90 plus, then we won't need it, but as of right now, this is what the utility room look like. So this is the open concept here. Okay. Very exciting, very exciting. Again, when you look around the front, we make sure the wood is treated. Now going up, this would be the last phase of phase one. Now we're going over to the garage. Okay, this is the garage. This is all new construction. As you could tell, we put 3 2x8 beams. Put the hurricanes. As you could tell, safety first. Boom. And 2x8. So we put new concrete. This was open before, so we'll build it back up. Same thing here. Same thing here. As you could tell, this is where we anchor. It's been anchored. 45-degree joist hanger. Joist hanger going all around. So we hurry up, torched it down already. Unfortunately, we can't see it, but basically flashed the wood, gutter, downspout coming down. So this is pretty much good to go at this point. And also we fixed some of the slate that was broken in the roof, but unfortunately due to the weather we won't be able to have it on this video. That's it. Okay, thank you. Oh, what last thing, the plywood, we redid the plywood here. It was rotten. We redid it. So redid the, as you can tell, did a brand new gutters, downspout. Same thing here, all new gutters. All new gutters, brand new downspout, new gutters. All new gutters, downspout. Thank you. Thank you very much.